Sending an offline UPI payment can be very useful in situations where internet connectivity is poor. Here's how you can do it using the USSD code method provided by MPCI. Dial *99 hashtag. Open the dialer on your mobile number and dial *99 hashtag. Select your preferred language. Choose your preferred language from the list displayed. Enter your bank's name or first four letters of the bank's IFSC code. Type the name of your bank or the first four letters of the IFSC code to find your bank. Select Send Money option. A menu will appear with various options. Select option 1 to send money. Enter the beneficiary's UPI ID or mobile number. Type in the UPI ID or the mobile number linked to the beneficiary's bank account. Enter the amount. Specify the amount you wish to transfer. Enter your UPI PIN. Type in your UPI PIN to authorize a transaction. Confirm the transaction. Review the details and confirm the transaction.